This is why you need to stop spilling your secrets to your parrot. Sure, parrots can mimic what we say, but do they really it? Not quite. They're like that one friend who quotes movies but has no idea what they mean. Parrots are expert imitators, copying sounds and words with impressive accuracy. But understanding? That's a different ballgame. They don't know what the words mean, but they're great at associating them with actions. Say hello and your feathered friend might respond because it knows you'll give it attention. Call out, treat, and watch it perk up because, well, treats. So, while your parrot might seem like a chatty Cathy, it's all mimicry magic. Next time Polly wants a cracker, remember, Polly doesn't know it's a cracker. Polly just knows it's snack time. Keep those conversations going, but maybe save the deep secrets for your diary. Your parrot's just here for the fun sounds and snacks.